Hello, Flower School, American School of Flower Design. Today we have a masterpiece in front of us. Give me your full name.
Lindsay Robinson.
From where?
I'm from Sharpsburg, Georgia.
This is our centerpiece called Non-Traditional Objects. She's got artichoke. She's got protea. She's got chocolate Queen Anne's lace. She's got all kinds of weird greens and a kale right from your garden. Now spin it around again. I call it a brutalist design. It's rough and tough. I said it's like a patch of highway between Texas and Oklahoma, and it's beautiful.
Thank you.
This one, how hard was this one to do? This is her tropical piece.
This one was fun, but it was harder. Working from the back to the front was harder for me to learn.
I hated them when I first started being a designer because I needed more than you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6
flowers.
Like 7 flowers to make an arrangement. I'm like, that's impossible. I need 50 to 100. Her tropical design. Remember, tropicals are stored in 50 degrees. Don't put them in coolers. They will burn. Here's her pretty glossy monstera leaves. She waxed. Her Japanese design, her vertical line design.
Today, I thought.
Nice contemporary piece in a nice tin pot. It's all about creating tall, vertical, falling lines like an elevator. Japanese schools of design have one thing in common, all very vertical and horizontal lines. Which was the easiest one to do? That's a good question.
I think this one or the vase, the 3 flowers.
That one you thought was easiest.
Because I think
The cluster arrangement.
yes, rather than the more tropical or Japanese, just because I wasn't familiar with that style.
Right. Yes, it's all about familiarizing yourself with designs. I hated these tropical when I first started. I've always loved this tall, sleek, Japanese influence piece, and this is a newest addition to our curriculum, the vase of greens. Yesterday's traditional centerpiece. Here is my stash, and here is my tropical sample. Atlanta School of Flower Design, flowerschool101.com. How was class this week?
So much fun. So everybody should sign up.
Yeah,
Everybody.
So much fun. We added on more days.
Yes. Yeah.
They were only coming for a day or two, and they decided to stay on the whole week.
Well worth it. Don't go anywhere else.
Don't go anywhere else. Right. That's the most invaluable thing you learned. Crowning glory would be one.
Bouquets. I just didn't know how to properly do a bouquet. Gosh, it's all valuable. The long centerpieces with the width and the length.
I tell them I only teach them things they'll use. Why would I teach you things that nobody's ever going to walk in your store
Even how to care for
now?
the flowers to make them last longer. I never worked with the floral foam.
Oh, you never had? Very good. Flower School 101. Bye. Bye from Atlanta.
Bye.
Hot Atlanta.